friends, it's me, Super Reggie, and today, we're going back in time to meet the most fearsome dinosaur of them all, the T-Rex. I've got 5 super facts for you. Let's roll right in. Fact 1: the king of the dinosaurs. Did you know the name Tyrannosaurus Rex means tyrant lizard king? This guy was huge, up to 40 feet long, the size of a school bus, and 12 feet tall at the hips, as tall as a 2-story house. It weighed more than 9 tons, that's like an elephant parade. No wonder it ruled the Cretaceous period like a king. Fact: a super strong bitty T-Rex had the most powerful bite of any land animal ever. Scientists think it could chomp with 12,000 pounds of force. That's like having a car sitting on your arm. Its teeth were 6 to 12 inches long, about the size of bananas. One bite, and dinner was served. Fact 3: fast and fierce. You might think a dinosaur this big was slow, but the T-Rex could run up to 20 miles per hour. That's as fast as a speeding car in a neighborhood. Plus, it had super sharp eyesight and an amazing sense of smell. It could find dinner from miles away. Scary, right? Fact for tiny arms. Big jaw people always laugh at the T-Rex's tiny arms. But guess what? Those arms were super strong. They could lift over 400 pounds each. Scientists think they help the T-Rex grab onto prey or push itself off the ground after a nap. Tiny arms, big muscles. Fact 5: the T-Rex family tree has something amazing. T-Rex might be related to birds. Scientists discovered that modern birds share DNA with dinosaurs. So next time you see a chicken or ostrich, you're looking at the T-Rex's distant cousin. Who knew the mighty king had such a feathery family tree? Super Reggie. So there you have it, 5 super facts about the T-Rex. The king of the dinosaurs, with a bite like thunder, fast, fierce, and maybe even the ancestor of today's birds. Stay curious, stay awesome, and I'll see you on the next super adventure.